Okay, so today we learn about in last class we learn about the HM call HM. So today we will learn about the MD and LG. So let's give that call MD2 call LG1. Let's try this first. Okay, see. So if it is a large screen, it's taking one. So let's make it responsive first. I know the UI is not looking good, but we'll come on this. This is for learning purpose. Later we will this. So make it responsive. Yeah, so now it's a big screen. Okay, you can say check the dimension over here. It's a big screen, so it's taking call SM1 only one, or sorry, call LG1 because it's a large screen, right? So if you go here, see, if it is a medium, right, sorry, MD, right, medium screen, so it's taking two. And if you come little down, yeah, now it's a mobile, and this is for, see, this is for the smaller screen. Okay, see, after that is taking the three. So we can define our pages according to that only. So first of all, we'll go here and check if it is a call SM3, right? And why it was coming, because here we have given, if it is a call SM3 you have given, then you have to give 9 only, right? See, here you have given call SM3. So if it is a dimension is SM, medium screen, so, or a small size, then here you have also give SM9, like it will become 12. So now check, refresh it, see. So it's a smaller screen, it's taking 3. Okay, now what you want, see, what we can do, so we want like large screen 2, okay, medium 3, and a small screen 4. And if it is giving a small screen 4, it will become 8. Okay, call MD whatever you have given 3, right? So you have to give 9. It's not necessary you can give 9, but less than 9. LG whatever you have given is 2 over there, right? So give it 1 10. Okay, now we will check, refresh it. Okay, so now it's looking somehow better. So if it is a smaller screen, okay, if it is a smaller screen, we were taking 4 and 8. Okay, if it is a little bigger, like it will be uh, medium screen, then it is taking 3 and 9. So dimension is like perfect. And if it's a large screen, it's taking 2 and 10. So it's, you will check, it's looking perfect. Okay, so how you can manage, it's up to you, right? If you think like no, whatever the style we have given, okay, so like here suppose we have given one in LG2, just give LG2 and remove these two. Okay, see, see, I don't know who is. Okay, so you can manage like this also. Okay, so we'll get the clear understanding of while using some card over here. Okay, so today we will create some pages over here. Like here in this content area, here the content area is here, so here we will create 2 3 cards. Okay, so let's do that first. So here the content area, right? So we are inside the column 9 or 10 or whatever you have given the second section. So first of all we create div, class is equal to we can give container fluid or else directly give row. If it not work, then we will use container float on top of this. Okay, now we want 3 card or is 4 card. Okay, div, if we need 4 thing, right? So how much we have to do that? In a row there is 12 column. We want 4 out of 12, like 4 sections of 12. How much we have to divide by? So we have to divide by 12 by 3 is equal to, so 12 by 4, right? We want 4, so it's a 3. Okay, so class is equal to call sm3. So we are giving as of now call sm3, closing the div. Now we are going to use some card. So div class is equal to what? Card. Okay, close this div. Now inside that card, so how card looks like in Bootstrap, first we'll check that. We want to check the card. Okay, cards like this. So first of all, there is one card, inside that card body and card footer, also card header. So there are few sections. If you normally use this kind of thing, directly use card body. If you want to use with some like card footer and card all things, so you can also check. So we are going to use normal thing. So what is the class name? Card. And what is another class name is card body. These two we are going to use. So we already used class name card. Now inside that we will use div class name card body. Card body. Okay, we can close this. Cool. Here we can see hi. Okay, so now we have this one column. From after that we'll copy. We will copy till 1 4, right? So call sm3 4. Let's check how it's look like. Go and refresh the page first. So now we can see there are 4 cards. Okay, cool. Hmm. We can see there are 4 cards, and we can check give other style also, like for this one we can give different color, different color, different color. Let's give that only. So we'll go in card itself, we'll give bg info. We give bg info. Sorry, it's not in card. Oh, sorry, we have given in row. My bad. Where is card? Here. Refresh it. Okay, bg info, bg danger, bg success or primary, bg warning. Just save it and check, refresh it. So we can see all different colors. Okay, now what we want to check some, we want to do some experience with. Here you can come and check. See, if it is coming in medium, right, the screen of this or the size of this is very less, even the content we cannot see. So what we want, if it's come in medium, right, If it's come in medium, we want the two. Only two will come and other two will come down. So what we will do that? How we will do that? So think again. What is our requirement? If a screen is big, okay, okay, we can put four card in a screen. So we allowed. But when we cannot allow, when a screen size is small, like this medium screen, okay, like this medium screen. See how it's looking like, not good. There this much of space, it will come down also. So there is a way to write it. So we want to keep, let's call MD6, call LG 1 3, and call SM also 6. Okay, so we will follow this approach, like medium and a small will take 6 6, means in a row there will be 2, or large screen we can take 4. So now we can refresh it. Yes. Okay, now we'll check. When we are a screen size is big, it's taking all four aligned because we have given call LG3. If you are giving call LG3, means 3 divided by, sorry, 12 divided by 3 become 4. So 4 card will be adjusted in a line. But if you are going for the lesser width of a screen, then we will check. This is coming as call SM6, call SM6. We have given, right, because the design was not good. So we have given call MD6 or call SM6 also. Like if in a small, it will come 6. Okay, so it is not breaking. At least we can see the key very clearly, right? See, once you come the medium screen, it's coming down. First of all, give some. See, these cards are like in medium. It's we need some space, right? So we'll apply some class over here. In card, where is my card? Yeah, in card we will apply M2 or M3. Let's give M3. Cool. Now we can check if it is a small screen, bigger screen. It's taking the 4 because we have defined call LG, not only SM. Call LG. Okay. So if it's coming as a mobile, right? If it's coming in mobile, it's taking the 100%. Call SM12, call SM12. Less than mobile. Sorry, means a small screen. It's a mobile screen. Means a small screen, very extra small. Okay, then you can check. This is 12. It will become 12. So this become full responsive. See, if it is a small screen, it's whenever we're starting with a smaller screen till here. Yeah, a smaller screen has started. So we were taking the 6 6. After that, see, we are taking medium screen also. We can check over here medium, right? See, if it is a, now it's a large, so you can see large LG10 applied. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so this become full responsive page. So it's up to you. If you're not able to think that much, directly use the call SM. If you think like, okay, in medium design is breaking, so you can uh, just give me a minute. Okay, so like that you can do. Cool. Now, so now there is 4 card. So we can give some initial things, right? We can give, oh, just a minute. Hmm. So here we can give something like uh, banks, right? Suppose let's give H3. H3 will give bank name SBI, some amount, something, right? Look like amount. Okay. Here we will use class text center. So it will come in center. Now we'll go and check. Okay, SBI, and this would also come center. So here we are also the same class text center. Okay, we'll copy this for all. PNB. Okay, let it be some kind of bank only. Just a minute. RBI, and after that, okay, here can be some bank like PNB. Now we'll check. Cool. So after that, we want to show the list of users. So you can see over here, right? One section is going like one row is where from where it's starting, and I think it's closing over here. So let's, here we have or not. Okay, bracket where we have, just a minute. Okay, let it be. Later we will set it up. Okay, so now you can check. So somewhere we were starting, right? See, we are starting here, I think. Okay, so let's give one more div. So better give a comment, one row. Okay, just for testing, we are doing that. Yeah. So now we can check. It's taking here, right? It's coming out of this. So maybe this is not a good place. We will write here only. Now we'll check. No. Okay, so why it's happening? Because we didn't use that div. class is equal to, oh my, container fluid. Okay, we'll close this first, and then we'll use this row inside that. Now we'll check. Okay, so now it's coming here. Cool. Control shift I. So now we can use same type of indentation and all things over here. So here we can check the, only we will only focus on the grid system, like layout, how we can design this. So we are going to design one more section called list view. So here if you give, so we will not, this time we will not use a row, so we'll use directly, right? So we'll give one div class, we will give something, and we'll give here name, like list of a students, how we can manage with all this also. So here we'll give the name directly. I'm giving my name Nishan. We'll give some class name, but based on our requirement, I'm giving my mobile number something. Okay, div class is equal to this. Okay, here we will give some email ID, test@gmail.com. Cool. Okay, and one more thing I want to give, class is equal to mail. Something we can give, and div. So first of all, I want this as a list. So as of now it's coming like this, so I want to make as a list. So what we will do, so if you want to keep, if you want to keep all the div in a center, we all done, we use the display flex. So we'll use d flex first syntax. We will use d flex, and why we are using this, we are not using row, so we'll also come to know that. We use d flex, it's coming in a line. Okay, now we want to use some background color, busy primary, or primary will be good or not, yeah, or else we can use other color later also. Primary padding 3, check now, refresh it. Cool. Okay, now what we want, justify content, justify content, a space between if you give, it will take. Cool. Perfect. We can give text color, text white. Okay, cool. So in same way, like I want to change the some custom color, so I'm just removing this and give the class name list. And if you come here, we can do the list. Okay, here give color to blue, later will change, and some border radius. Don't forget the syntaxes. Border radius will give radius 10 pixel. Check now. So the color is not applying, right? Because we have applied color, not background color. So we have to apply background color. and you can check, right? See, so the good thing here, you can see we were using list. Here we were using list. Inside that we are giving color, and also we are using color text. No, say text white. So which one do you think will apply first? We are using two. We are using two. One is here. Here also we are using color blue, or here we are using color white. So let's check. This is the good learning. So you can see its color is white only, somehow white, because background color is this. That's why we are not able to see. But this color is white. Okay. So now we'll check this. So you can see the list of color is not applying because it's applying the text color. Somewhere they were using the white. Yeah, text white color it is applying. So inline class, if you are using inline CSS, that will take as a priority. Okay, that will take first. If you are using internal or external, that will take later. So it will give preference to inline one. So it's giving, we have defined inline classes like here, so it's taking that. Okay, now if we want to give this one, so how we will give? There is a way. Let's try that. Suppose that someone has written this, we cannot change the color code also, but we want the blue one. So you can see there is a important. If we think this is overriding, apply this important. Okay, I will remove this after that. See, if you think this color should forcefully applied or this is important, give important. Now you can refresh and check this color is blue only. But I do not want blue. I want background color blue. Easy. Background color blue. Okay. So now we can see the color. We can even change this to some beautiful color. If you want more dark, we can give see. Okay. This color, cool. So we'll give copy this color and paste it over here. Sorry, we didn't copy that hash. So give, otherwise it not work. Now we can refresh and check. See that this color is only applying. Cool. So suppose you have to create list. Okay. Now we want a different list also. So here we are going to add some my things 3, so it will not attach to each other. It will take some space. Here we are going to take one more and refresh it. Simply refresh it. Okay. Now take one more. Cool. Okay. So now for the today class I will teach that much only. So here we use two things. One we use with row and column. Other we use with deflex. Okay. Only the things. But here if you check, if you are using deflex. Okay. No, I am not telling the observation. You have to go through the code, and which one do you think? If either you can create this by row column, you have to do it and send it to me. And how the list should be work? Each list should be, if you are breaking, it should be come down or it should be as it is. So just give me that observation and your design. Do your some research. What will happen if I give a row column thing? Will it come down, or else we have to, first of all we have to think like either we can do it in row column or directly in div, because this is a list. This is kind of table. Okay. So just go through it and send me your observation. Okay. Anyone, any doubt? Avinash?
No issues. Okay,
Okay, so
questions.
just go through this, okay, and hopefully you will do practices in this weekend, Saturday, Sunday,
Sure, sure.
and everyone please install Node.js in your system. This is Node.js. If you click over here, you can either you can use 16 or this one latest feature. This is the support version or this is the latest one. So you can choose any of these 16 also. You can download for your window. Just download it and in terminal go and check node is there or not. See, if you type something node, it's coming, right? It means node is there. So you have to do this first. Install it. Everyone, you must have one Node.js. Okay. So please install this, and then we will. I'll send you that recorded class and all thing.